"Close your eyes," my mother said, as sweetly as could be. "You need to get your rest, my dear. Now try to fall asleep." She stroked my hair aside, kissed me gently on my cheek, sang a sad soft lullaby, then got up to leave. Standing in the doorway, she glanced back at me with tears, buying time and bravery before going back downstairs. I watched her close the door, heard her tiptoe down the hall. I listened for the slightest hint of whisper, word, or call. Then I heard the front door slam, heard him stumbling inside. I put my head under the blanket, muffling the screams and cries. I said my prayers, and I told God He could have my soul to keep. I prayed for peace and solitude. Still, it was too loud to sleep. She cried out, "I'm so sorry." The same old song and dance. She pleaded, begged, and bartered, saying, "Please, just one more chance." Then came Father's bellowed grumble, a coarse, meaningless reply. I could see my mother's sorrow, tension was running high. But now I'm snuggled back in bed, wrapped up in crimson sheets. They should have been more quiet while I was trying to fall asleep.